my video. This is Diana from Links. Today I've got you another e-ride solution for daily communications, and this is a model which has more sporty style, and we name it Ninja. Same as usual, we have two versions of this moped scooter. One is 3000 watt and another one is 4000 watt. This one I've got the upgrade version of 4000 watt. So okay, let's start from the head and I will show you the details each part. First, let's check the headlight here. For all the light, we've got E-mark certification. You can see the mark here with E4, and this whole headline is very beautiful, and it's not like the other one is light bubble. It's the whole LED light, and I will show you the high beam and deep beam. Also, for this long strip, it's qualified with CE mark. And these two is steering light, left light, right light. To show the indicators, also qualified with E9 E-mark. Many clients is asking to add logos on the front board, so that you can choose to add logo here, or you choose to add logo on the left and the right part. Let's come down to the front and to check the front tire. And this is a 12-inch size tire, and this is the disc, so that you can see we use disc brake system. And also these two are hydraulic tubing. So for this 4000 watt bike, we use CBS system, which called combination braking system. And this one is the absorber. We use swing arm twin shock absorber system, so that it can create you a comfortable riding feeling. Then let's check the front head. And on the left, here's a civil decoration with rubber. For on the left hand side, this button is for the high beam and deep beam switch, and the second one is the steering light button, and third one is the horn. On the right hand side, the first button, same with our cars, is a emergency flasher button, and the second one is the safety button. If you press to the right, the throttle won't work at this time, and if you unlock it, it can move. Also, the third one is the parking button. If you press it, it will show P, means parking here, and the throttle won't work this time, and if you press it again, then okay to move. Another button here is for the low and high mode switch, that you can choose which mode you're using during driving. That's it. Then let's move down here. Here's a hook, and it's okay for you to hang something here. And this is the keyhole. You can see we also got a two-step locking system. If you want to turn on your bike, you need to use this part, and to use this part to lock the key, to unlock the keyhole first, and then clockwise to start. And when coming down, you can see there is a small storage space here. You can see we've got my charger here, and you can put in, and also got a USB charger here for your smartphones. Okay. Then let's come to the side to check some details. First, this one is the foot patch for the passenger, and also we've got a side spot here. You can lay down it when you temporarily use it, and also this central support here. Also check here, we've got the aluminum cover here. It's not like the other one mostly using the plastic material. This is the aluminum. Also come up here, same silver color handlebar so that it can match the same style of this bike. Then let's come down to the rail to check the rail tire. This also a 12-inch size tire combined with a 12-inch hub motor. This is a 4,000 watt motor. You can see the detailed information here. It's 4,000 watt. Also combined with absorber system. It's nice and strong. Come down to this part, and you can see the disc brake here. Also this is hydraulic tubing and the absorber. Then let's check the seat and the storage space for this bike. Let's open the saddle and see, besides the battery under the seat, we still got some space for our things like one of my book, a box for the mirror, and we can bring our charger together with us during driving so that you can charge everywhere. Also, let's check. You can got all the battery informations here. It's 72 volt 40 amp battery. And we've got two options to charge our battery. The first one is you can turn off the L switch, and you can take this battery out to charge inside your house. Also, besides take the battery out, we have another options to charge our bike, is that we got a charging port here, so that if you think the battery is heavy for me, you can charge through this charging port. I've got the battery and charger here for this 4,000 watt Ninja bike, and all the technical data info is marked here on the battery. Come here, you can see all the details. So it's a 72 volt 40 amp battery. All the charger infos here. Normally it would take 5 to 6 hours to charge our bikes, and it's easy to charge. Just do it this way. Simple and easy. This is all about our electric moped scooter Ninja. It's all electric, so it's easy to understand and operate. We are Chinese supplier of all your e-ride solutions for daily communication, so if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me or email me. You can find all the information here in our website. Let's go green, go electric. Thank you for watching today. Let's see you next time.